What's up, guys? It's hardcore crypto stocks here. Sorry. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at AMD advanced micro devices, and the look of things right here. From the last time I made a video on AMD, I made it known to us that there are two major scenarios we should be expecting, and before we expect those major scenarios, I also made it known to us that we are in a critical downtrend, and in as much as we are still in a critical downtrend, we are also within this consolidation phase right here. You could see I made it known to us that from my previous video that it's either we most likely break out of this downtrend right here, we break out, we find support, then we break out of this resistance right here above $521, we find support, then we rally much higher. I made it known to that if this is not going to be playing out, then we are most likely going to be breaking below this major support right here from also this consolidation phase, which only means one thing: we are most likely going to be retesting the 452 if we break below it after a retest, and we could be dropping all the way down to $342. That was definitely what I made known to us right here. It's either a breakout or you break out to the bullish level, or a breakout at the bearish level. So now nothing much has changed other than the fact that if we look at the S&P 500 right here, the S&P 500 is kind of down, and we could see it clearly that if you've been following up with my videos, you will definitely realize that the S&P 500 hasn't been able to break out of this resistance for the longest, which is obviously this $7,700 level resistance. We haven't been able to break out of that level, hence the reason why majority of the stocks right now are looking bearish. But that aside right here, if we take a good look at AMD right now, you could see AMD is still looking strong today, especially given the fact that it was able to drop all the way down to 457, 455 levels. We found support around there and we rallied, unlike us having to get a fake out from here, finding support at the 200 moving average, exponential moving average on the 4 hours time frame before rallying. But here we just have to respect this major area of support right here at 453, or I think 453.51. So I think that they just definitely what we need to have in mind right here. Worst case scenario, if the S&P 500 keeps on dropping down lower, and the AI narrative also keeps on dragging down lower with it, we're most likely going to be dropping all the way down into $342. And if we eventually break out of this resistance right here, this downtrend, and also this resistance at $520, there is a high chance for AMD to majorly break out of this resistance also at $603 and even much higher. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting right here for AMD. In terms of the news right here, based on what I could lay my hands on, you could see the question that I think people are asking is NVIDIA's AI data center dominance slipping as the market expands. So we could see it clearly right here that more insights and strategy founder, CEO, and chief analyst Patrick Moorhead speaks with Josh Lipton about NVIDIA's biggest competition in AI data center, as he anticipates the company's market share could fall to 70% from 90% over the next 2 years. I think this is one of it. And OpenAI says its new chip outperforms NVIDIA's Blackwell as NVIDIA prepares earnings release. So I think through the when these companies are releasing their earnings, monthly earnings, we can definitely tell what is going on here. So I will be here to keep each and every one of us updated for sure. So without wasting much of our time, nothing really much going out there when it comes to the article, but we'll be here to keep each and every one of us updated, guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.